Good morning, children. Today I'll continue with Act 4, Scene 1, the fifth part, the ending part. Right? So we find here Act 4, Scene 1, as I said, it's a trial scene, it's a court scene. There are few points when you study, please go through it. Mercy versus justice, moral and structural center of the play. It has got a lot of moral values, talking about moral values. Contrasting viewpoint of Shylock as well as Portia. Element of comedy by Cresciano, and comedy of Rings, rise and fall of Shylock's emotions. Right? How he was very stern and later on he said, no, give me the principal amount and go. Now, let me continue. I had left where Portia's speech was there in my last lesson. So here it is Portia. Portia is saying that excuse when she was asking for Bassanio the ring, and Bassanio says, oh, this is my wife. So Portia says that is the most men have that excuse that it is my wife's and they don't want to part with the gifts. So I am repeating that. Portia, that excuse serves many men to serve their gifts, save their gifts. And if your wife be not a mad woman, now she's calling herself only man and saying, if your wife is not a mad woman, she would not ever say that how much I deserve that ring and know how well I have deserved the ring. She would not hold out enemy forever for giving it to me. Well, peace be with you. Alright, be happy with your ring. I'm not accepting it now, and I hope your wife is not a mad woman, that she'll be annoyed with you if you part the ring and how much I deserve the ring. And she leaves with Nerissa. Antonio feels very bad that because Portia in disguise as Dr. Balthazar saved his life, so he feels that he should give the ring. He tells Bassanio. Antonio says to Bassanio, my lord Bassanio. My lord means again in respect, in a friend. My lord Bassanio, let him have the ring. Why aren't you giving him the ring? Let his deservings and my love withal be valued against your wife's commandment. I want you to give preference to the deserving, to the lawyer's deserving, and my love also, as respect to your wife's commandment. Bassanio, go Bassanio, run and overtake him. Bassanio cannot refuse Antonio, so his love for him. So he says, alright Bassanio, go take the ring and give it to him. Give him the ring and bring him, if you can't, unto Antonio's house away. I am in haste. I have to go and arrange for all the evening, that is a New Year Eve day. So he says I have to go and do all the arrangements of food and all. So if you can bring him, if you can bring Portia in disguise as Dr. Balthazar to Antonio's house for dinner. Exit Cresciano. Then Bassanio says to Antonio, come, you and I will hither presently. Means we will go right now, and in the morning we'll be both fly towards Belmont. Come Antonio. He says, okay, we have to go straight away and we'll go to Belmont tomorrow morning. Right now we can leave, and by tomorrow morning we'll be reaching there. Now that ends Act 4, Scene 1. Now we have Act 4, Scene 2. It's a very short scene and we have comic elements in it. It's only comic element, the exchange of ring and just the deed to be signed. Now Act 4, Scene 2 opens in the street in Venice. Enter Portia and Nerissa disguised as before, as a lawyer and the clerk. Portia, inquire the Jew's house out, give him his deed. Find out where is the Jew, where is his house, and let him sign the deed. And let him sign it. We'll away tonight and be a day before our husband's home. Before our husbands reach our home, we will be there. And this deed will be welcome to Lorenzo. And we'll get it signed and we'll give it straight away to Lorenzo. And Lorenzo will be very happy to get this deed. Enter Cresciano. Cresciano says, fair sir, you are well overtaken. Oh, I've been able to pursue you and I have been able to overtake you. My lord Bassanio, upon more advice, after giving it a second thought, hath sent you here this ring, and doth entreat your company at dinner, and he has invited you for dinner. Portia, that cannot be. Oh, for dinner we cannot come. His ring I do accept most thankfully. Oh, as far as the ring is concerned, I am accepting the ring very thankfully, and so I pray you, I request you. Tell him furthermore, I pray you, show my youth old Shylock's house. He is saying, show my youth, means clerk, Nerissa, where is Shylock's house? She's trying to look for it. Grishano says, that I will do. Nerissa, sir, I will speak with you. He says, I want to speak to you. To Grishano, she says. Aside to Portia, she says, I'll see if I can get my husband's ring, which I did make him swear to keep forever. He said, let me also try out, asking Grishano for my ring. Portia, aside to Nerissa, thou mayest, I warrant we shall have old swearing that they did give the ring away to men. I said, we'll definitely raise our voices and we'll say that you have not given your, we will not accept that they give the ring to men. We'll say they have given the rings to women, right? But we'll not outphrase them and outswear them too, aloud. Away, make haste thou before knowest where I will tarry. Means where will I wait? Come fast, because she is leaving before and Nerissa will follow. Nerissa, come, good sir, will you show me to the house, to the Duke's house? Will you show me? And then they leave. Here ends Act 4, Scene 2. And with this, I end my teaching today. And for today, this much. Act 5, I'll continue in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. And thank you for patient hearing.